Welcome back to Tansy Academy. In this video, we'll be looking at Chapter 7, Lesson 37 on SQL numeric functions. So, what are numeric functions? Numeric functions allow you to manipulate, analyze, and perform calculations with numeric data in SQL queries. See, this numeric operators is different, and these are numeric functions. Okay. Common operations include arithmetic calculations, rounding, finding absolute values, and computing powers. Purpose: to simplify mathematical operations directly in SQL, or to perform aggregates and calculations such as sums, averages on given columns. So these are the different numeric functions available in a SQL. Abs return the absolute value of a number. Ceiling, or you call it a ceil, returns the smallest integer. Floor returns the largest integer. Rounds a number to a specified decimal number. Let's say you have a decimal number of 5 digits after the decimal. Then you can say round number comma 2, it will round it to the 2 decimals. Okay, this power is like mathematical power calculation. Again, this is square root and mod. Mod returns the remainder of a division, and then this random, it will give returns a random floating point value between 0 and 1. Sign returns the sign of a number. Exp returns the value of number raised to the power of e. Okay. This returns natural logarithm. So this is like purely scientific mathematics. And then you have our famous sum. If you want to know the sum of a salary or sum of total order, use sum. If you want to count the records or count the orders, you use a count. And there is something called truncate. Again, don't get confused. This is different. This is not like truncating the table. It will remove certain decimal places. Again, truncates a number to a specified number of decimal places. So these are the few numeric functions in action. Okay, if you say select floor 5.9, you get 5. Okay, and then if you say ceiling on the same on this 5.9 here, you will get 6. Actually, I am missing this number here. Okay, the absolute, it will give the absolute value irrespective of whether it is positive or negative. And here floor gives the lowest integer within a given decimal number. It is ceiling, it will go to the maximum integer. Okay, this will round this to 2 decimals, so you'll get the output 25.46. it will remove the last decimal, but before removing, it will try to round up, like using mathematical concepts. Instead of saying 4.5, it says 4.6 because 6 is greater than 5. Okay, this is power of 3 comma 2, you get 9. This is the square root of 16. This is a reminder when you divide 10 by 3, and this, it gives a random number. Okay, and yeah, that's it in this short lesson on SQL numeric functions.